This year, Hunts is celebrating its 50th year. Very exciting times for us. I've been with the company some 27 years now, and during that time we've grown from a small high street stationery printer through to what I would describe as a full-blown colour commercial printer, encompassing all the services that goes hand in hand with an organisation like that. So it was about 2 years ago that we made the decision the time was right for this business to move into digital colour printing. We had already been printing mono for some time. Big decision for us, and it was at this time that the Anicolor first came to our attention. So the digital print suppliers were suggesting that all you had to do was press a button and the finished item would come out the other end. That, we found, was far from the truth. You still have to have a skilled minder, in inverted commas. We also did the calculations on the actual cost of running the machine, taking into account, of course, click charge, which you get with digital machines. And the only thing that really was pushing us into the purchasing of a digital print machine was, of course, the variable data. Suddenly, the Anicolor came along and provided all the answers except for variable data. And we felt that this was the right solution for us. We've had the Anicolor in Hunts now for some 18 months, and of course that's been adequate time to test the claims of Heidelberg, and I have to say that it has delivered in every particular. It's been fantastic on the quality, of course, and we've been able to do short runs, litho short runs, and of course that has a great advantage over what I would describe as the coarser technology of laser printing, laser digital printing. Fascinating thing is that compared to our B2 machine, the Anicolor will make ready in, 8 to 10 minutes and will have been printing for some 15 or 20 minutes before the B2 press fires up its first saleable sheet. And that's one of the fantastic benefits of the Anicolor. Within 15 sheets or so, we have a saleable sheet. Another benefit of the Anicolor is the skill level needed to operate it. Yes, it's a litho machine, and yes, you need a skilled operator, but it's fairly easy to operate. And this allows either junior operators to grow their skills in 4-colour printing, or, and more importantly, any skilled minder can then pay attention to the quality of the work rather than having to try and adjust to make the machine run. So it is an easy press to run. So the question is, was the Anicolor the correct decision? Should we have gone for a high-end digital print machine or the Anicolor? Well, undoubtedly, the Anicolor has proved all the answers. The only thing it can't do is the variable data, but we've got our mid-range machine to do that. And that is a market that, while everybody is talking about, it's growing at a steady rate, not at the rate that we were told by the salespeople of the digital print machines. So we are delighted with it. The Anicolor, of course, really sits very comfortably with our environmental credentials here, and it's one of our big selling points for the machine.